In today's video, we will be discussing what's next for the Subaru as we begin a new chapter for My Rally. I'll do some explaining in a bit, but for now, let's hit the road. Good morning. It is about 5:10 in the morning and we are just on our way to the Eurotunnel, heading across the tunnel to Folkestone and then to Oxfordshire to grab Scott, and then heading all the way over to Shropshire to go and look at a new shell for the Subaru. We are meeting Gary and my mum there with the trailer, so fingers crossed, all being well with the shell, we can take it away and start a new journey for the rebuild of the Subaru. So we're on a bit of a mission to get this done within one day. It's a long way to go in one day, but my wife is currently 37 weeks pregnant, and as they say, the last month could be the last day. So fingers crossed our water doesn't break and we make it back to Belgium in time for the baby. So here we are at the Eurotunnel. Spent a lot of time here over the years. Love the place, to be honest. It's great, it's a brilliant service. So managed to get on an earlier train. So we're gonna go straight through to boarding. On our way. Just to pause proceedings for a minute, I wanted to give some context on the old shell. I know many people think that the Subaru would be repairable after our accident at Ypres, and they're absolutely right. The thing is, with enough money, anything is repairable, but it's about what's economically viable. The main hoop of the roll cage was badly bent, and the roll cage had significant damage. Here, 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 and here. You get the idea. So the car will definitely need the roll cage cutting out and replacing, as well as a new roof, A pillar, B pillar, C pillar. Add to that the chassis is twisted and would need straightening.
So much torque.
The most cost-effective option was to acquire a new shell. So let's continue with that journey. I am back in the motherland. So we have just arrived on the train in England, about to get underway and head across to meet Scott in Oxfordshire. Okay, so got Mr. Barnes on board in the truck, and yeah, we're just about to arrive to go and have a look. So fingers crossed we like what we see.
Subaru body loaded up. Jensen's happy he's found some shade. Found some shade, hey.